Hello and welcome to another short but sweet video. In this video, I'm going to show you my deck. My McGill, signed by Mike McGill, Kevin Staub, Steve Caballero, and Andy McDonald. I also would like to show you another deck, which is this one. This is Stream Deck 40. Oh, I'm sorry, iPhone user here. I meant XL. Elgato's newest tool for every power user. Compared to its smaller brother, it has more than double the buttons, which means if each button on Stream Deck costs you $10, each button on Stream Deck XL costs you only $7.8. And even though this product is mostly for streamers, actually you can use it for almost anything from shortcuts to your lights to multiple key actions and to playing memory games on the deck itself. I've been using Stream Deck with Final Cut for a while now. So, will this make things easier? Is bigger better? Cue the deck jokes. And here it is! This deck comes in this nice blue box. Inside the box we're greeted with some instructions, the deck itself, USB-C cable, some more papers, and that's it. Just like all Elgato products, Stream Deck XL looks and feels pretty high quality. The buttons feel like they have less travel distance and they're easier to press. The image quality on their tiny screen looks a little better. The mount is not adjustable like Stream Deck, but it is very sturdy, and thanks to this, it won't be sliding off of your table while you're using it. I've been using Elgato Gaming's products a lot and I don't game at all. Maybe they should rebrand, because I have their key lights here, green screen here. I use Stream Deck a lot controlling these lights and actually with Final Cut, so maybe it's time. Even if you're not a gamer, I think you may find these products very useful. First thing you realize when you get your hands on the Stream Deck Extra Large, it is by itself as high as the Stream Deck with the mount, which is something I don't like a lot and I don't use it. I use my Stream Deck like this as an extension to my keyboard. I have my keys set for Final Cut and that's how I use it. Stream Deck, however, without this base is a little higher. Now you can connect your own USB-C cable instead of having a cable already connected here and just plug it to your computer. Also, this mount is super sturdy compared to this, which I never liked. I never liked this. But this is adjustable if you have the patience for it. And this is not. But this position is perfect. It also has a hole for your cable to go through. Has a hole here as well, so it doesn't dingle dangle. And the cable is braided. I like the Elgato quality. So now let's connect this to the computer. You know what? Let's have some fun. I'm gonna launch Stream Deck and it says, do you want to copy profiles from Decker? Decker is this one because I call the small one Deck, so this is Decker and I'm gonna call this one the Deckest. Yes, copy. Nice. You can adjust the brightness. Perfect. Now I can add 32 icons, which is gonna work great because let me show you the problem with my Final Cut. So I have my Final Cut shortcuts here, very nicely and neatly prepared. But every once in a while I have to go into this for the other stuff. So now I can carry this, put it here, let's go back, take this, put it here. So now I have all of them here, which makes things a lot more easier because I really didn't enjoy switching between 1 and 2. And actually I think I can do the same thing for this one because I have the key lights set up here. You can have more things that you can control with. You can go to this App Store kind of place. You can download controls for Philips Hue, for your Apple Mail. You can download
something to see your CPU usage, analog clock, nano leaf controller, which are all very nice. The only thing I wish, of course it doesn't make sense, but I wish this stayed on even when the computer is sleeping. I have to say I like this product better than the old smaller Stream Deck. It is true, bigger is better. If you're a gamer, if you're a streamer, I think you may enjoy this more than the other one. And if you're not, if you want to use this for anything, because you can just go to this and add hotkeys to anything you like, and then it switches profiles according to the app that is running. So when you start running Final Cut, it automatically switches to this. So it is actually very useful. But of course we have to hear what Jack Black has to say about this. I ordered a Jablinski Games t-shirt for this video, but it didn't arrive on time. And that's pretty much it. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button. I must have a subscribe button somewhere here on the screen. Hit that subscribe button and play Ding Dong Ditch with the bell next to it. And join the world domination. And please let me know what you think about Stream Deck Extra Large in the comment section below. Ooh. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves. And hoşça kalın.
Because I'll be switching to Excel, I promised to send my Stream Deck to my good friend Scott. However, while my wife was modeling for this shot, she fell in love with the Stream Deck, and now the regular size Stream Deck belongs to her. Sorry, Scott.